Welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to access your Hostgator email quickly and easily in 2025. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, this step-by-step guide will get you into your inbox in no time. First, open your web browser and go to hostgator.com. This is your central hub for all Hostgator services. Once there, look for the Sign In button at the top right corner and click it. Enter your username and password. Make sure you have them handy. After logging in, you'll land on your account dashboard. This is where you manage everything related to your hosting and services. From here, navigate to the website tab and click Settings. Next, find the Advanced Settings section under your hosting details. This section gives you access to more detailed options for managing your site. Once inside, click Manage to see all available tools for your hosting account. Now comes the important part, your email. Look for email accounts and click on it. This is where you can create, modify, or delete email addresses associated with your domain. To check your messages, click the Check Email button, then select Open Inbox. And just like that, you're inside your Hostgator email, ready to send, receive, and organize your messages. Pro tip, bookmark this login page for even faster access next time, and there you have it. A full 2025 guide to accessing your Hostgator email in just a few simple steps. If this helped, make sure to explore more tutorials to make the most of your Hostgator account. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.